The sweetest traps are never made of chains. They are made of promises. The world was never easy to foresee. Sweet, sour, bitter, salt upon the sea. Every flavor hides inside our days. Every smile conceals 1,000 ways. Who said that honey could not be a cage? A golden prison dressed upon the stage. Once you fall beneath this gentle spell, you wander deeper where no angels dwell. Love arrives without a lesson learned. No teacher shows the places hearts get burned. You either drown inside its endless tide, or sink so deep you lose yourself inside. Maybe those promises we swore before were only shadows standing by the door. One faithful heart, one destiny believed. Half a lifetime gone before we breathe. The trap upon your lips was sweet as wine. I drank it all and thought your soul was mine. A single word called love became a chain, wrapped around my heart and fed the pain. The moon still shines, the stars still burn above, yet everything was changed by one word, love. 7-year curses hidden in the dark still leave their fingerprints across the heart. Looking back, the years have slipped away like grains of sand no hands could ever stay. From love to care, from passion into scars, we chase forever underneath the stars. Not every bright eyed soul can choose what's true. Not every smile reveals what's hidden through. A tongue speaks treasures dipped in golden light, while lies are dancing softly out of sight. Perhaps I knew, perhaps I chose to stay. Too young, too blind to simply walk away. The bitterness went down without a fight, believing warmth will last beyond the night. I thought a lifetime resting by your side was all the answer fate would ever write. But one cold day I saw it in your face. The warmth was gone without a single trace. The trap upon your lips was sweet as wine. I drank it all and thought your soul was mine. A single word called love became a chain, wrapped around my heart and fed the pain. The moon still shines, the stars still burn above, yet everything was changed by one word, love. 7-year curses hidden in the dark still leave their fingerprints across the heart. No villains here, no heroes left to blame. Just two lost souls consumed by different flames. The promises we carved into the sky were only echoes teaching us goodbye. The trap upon your lips was sweet as wine. gone, there's nothing left to hold. The sweetest traps were never made of chains.